The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Cook County in northeastern Illinois until 4:15 p.m. At 3:32 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Riverside, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Chicago, Cicero, Berwyn, Oak Park, Maywood, Brookfield, Westchester, LaGrange, Forest Park, River Forest, Summit, Lyons, Riverside, Stickney, Midway Airport, Lincoln Park, Navy Pier, Northerly Island, Bellwood, and Western Springs. Including the following interstates: Interstate 55 between mile markers 281 and 294. Interstate 94 between mile markers 47 and 58. Interstate 290 between mile markers 17 and 29. Interstate 294 between mile markers 47 and 58. This includes Brookfield Zoo, Lincoln Park Zoo, University of Chicago, Hawthorne Park, Soldier Field, University of Illinois Chicago, U.S. Cellular Field, Illinois Institute of Technology, The Loop, Museum of Science and Industry, Museum Campus, and Northerly Island. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Oh my gosh. Whew. Double header.
The following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for Calumet Harbor, Illinois to Gary, Indiana, Lake Michigan from Wilmette Harbor to Michigan City, Indiana 5 nautical miles offshore to Mid-Lake, Northerly Island to Calumet Harbor, Illinois, Wilmette Harbor to Northerly Island, Illinois, nearshore waters from Wilmette Harbor to Gary, open waters from Wilmette Harbor to Michigan City out to Mid-Lake until 4:30 p.m. At 3:33 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 8 nautical miles southwest of Montrose Harbor, moving east at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts in excess of 50 knots and large hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boats could suffer significant structural damage in high winds and hail. Small craft could capsize in suddenly higher waves. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until the storm passes. Wind gusts in excess of 50 knots, large hail, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rain are possible with this storm. This is no weather.